Hi everyone, welcome to Gourmet World. This is Adeline. Today I am going to show you how to make chicken gizzards fry. And first I am going to marinate the chicken gizzard. For this, add some turmeric powder, half tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, and 1 teaspoon of salt, and also half tablespoon of red chili powder. Mix well and keep it aside for at least 15 to 20 minutes. And to make this recipe, heat a pan on medium flame. Add 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil. When oil is hot enough, add 2 slit green chili and also few cinnamon sticks and cloves. And then add 1 chopped onion and also few curry leaves. And cook it until onions become brown color. Now you can add half tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and some salt. Mix it. And add half tablespoon of coriander powder and also half tablespoon of red chili powder. Mix it and cook it for 1 to 2 minutes. Now add our marinated chicken gizzards. Place a lid and let it cook for 5 minutes. Did you see that? Some water came out from the chicken gizzards. Now I'm going to add some cilantro and place a lid and let it cook for 10 more minutes. Now add some garam masala and also add some water and cook it until gizzards are thoroughly cooked. Wow, our delicious chicken gizzard fry is ready. You can switch off the flame. Our delicious chicken gizzards fry is ready to serve. You can serve it with rice and chapati. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. See you with another recipe. Bye.